Hi there, Fire-Boltt is on fire. These are the newly launched FirePods Aero Glide, which look like Pokemon balls but are actually open-ear wireless earbuds with a hook design. So now you can listen to music, be aware of your surroundings while still providing that grip that will never let it fall off from your ear. And guess what? They're priced at just $999. Ain't that cool? By the way, a lot of Fire-Boltt launches this month, so if you're a Fire-Boltt Puglu like I am, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Alright, so we have three colors with us: white, blue and black. We'll take you through a quick unboxing experience, we'll have a closer look at them so you can decide if you should buy the FirePods Aero Glide earbuds or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. We have all three colors: black, white and blue. Now the contents inside are exactly the same, so we'll just open one box so you'll get a better idea. You can see the image of the earbuds right here, some specifications mentioned on the side here, some more details at the back, some more features. You have the QR code for the companion app. The MRP is $10,999, but you can get this for a lot lesser, and this is the midnight black color. So let's open it up. So right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Then we have some paperwork, QR code for the user manual, and this is the QR code to download the app. And there's another voucher. This is a Book My Show voucher, so you can get a free ticket, something you must check out. Now obviously, we have the exact same contents in all the boxes. So here are all the colors: blue, black and white. Though I would like to say that the blue one looks more grayish. I think I still like this color. It's very subtle, not in your face, and very classy in fact. I like the black one as well. And here is the white one. I just noticed they look like Pokemon balls, don't you think? These are the earbuds and the case. I think they look really cool. Let's have a closer look at the white one first. Okay, so that's cool. Where are the earbuds? Well, here are the earbuds themselves. Yes, that is so cool. There you go. And they attach magnetically, which make them so nice. Also, I realized there's no lid like we usually have with earbuds. You open them and then remove them. Here, they're just attached right here. So all you need to do is just pull them open and there it is. It's really nice. Now, if you look closely here, the case has a USB-C port to charge, which is really convenient. It's also really small, easily fits in your palm, and you can kind of use it and play like a ball. Not recommended, but still, that's cool. Let's remove them and have a closer look. So here you can see they come with this ear hook design, which looks really nice. You can see the Fire-Boltt logo right here. You can see a couple of mics, which are going to assist you for phone calls. Very well built. The quality is nice, soft. I think you can wear them for hours and they'll be good to go. Moving on the other side, you can spot the charging terminals and you can also spot the speakers here. This is from where you're going to hear the audio. Very well built, and they look so nice. A quick look at the blue one as well. Again, like I said earlier, looks more grayish than blue, but I like this color. There you go. Here is the earbuds themselves, and there you go. A different blue color here, a different blue here. So this dual tone finish looks so cool. And finally, the black one. So here are the earbuds. I think this is going to be everyone's favorite because black looks classy. Oh my God. Very nice, light, clean, very well built, I would say. So which one of these are you going to pick? By the way, they come with IPX4 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. You can wear it at the gym, for a run, or even in light rain. However, keep in mind that they lack any kind of dust protection. Then it comes with Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life and more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC and AC codec support. When it comes to pairing, well, there's no Google Fast Pairing here. You'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. So first, you remove the earbuds from the case. They will enter pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth setting, and here you will see the Aeroglide show up. Click to pair. Once done, go to the App Store or Play Store on your phone and download the original Sound Companion app. In here too, you'll see Aeroglide. Click and you're ready to use the earbuds. More on the app later. As you can see, I'm actually already wearing one earbud and I'm wearing the other one. There you go, very convenient. This is exactly why I'm wearing a cap and not a bandana, so I can wear these because they come with a hook design that goes around your ear. It fits perfectly and you know that it's not going to fall off, especially if you're running, you're working out, you're at the gym, or probably even bungee jumping. Now, unlike earbuds that snug in deep inside your ear, this one doesn't. It actually keeps it open so you can enjoy the music and still hear everything around you. It's more like transparency mode always on. So it comes with 16mm dynamic drivers and they sound really good. It also gets quite loud and there's no distortion even at high volume. Now, since they don't come with a buds design, the bass isn't that deep, but surely you can feel it. Now, if you're someone who loves to go for a run, especially outdoors, now you can listen everything around you while still enjoying that crisp music. There are also tons of preset options available from the app which you can select. Plus, you can even custom set the EQ as per your preference. It really helps elevate the sound experience. However, these lack active noise cancellation. But these earbuds aren't for those looking for ANC. So that's something you gotta keep in mind. We also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Aeroglide earbuds. There are 4 microphones in total, 2 on each earbud that support ANC. So actually, when you're on phone call outdoors, it cancels out all the disturbance, making your vocal sound so much more crisper. They work really well if you're someone who wants earbuds, especially for phone calls. Then we also get tap gestures to control the audio. You can change tracks, you can pause play the music, or even trigger the Google Voice Assistant. Yes, you can also custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Very handy. When it comes to latency, Fire-Boltt claims 50 milliseconds, which you can enable by toggling on the game mode from the companion app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. It actually felt very seamless. Similarly, while watching movies, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync. Now watch your favorite movies on the go with zero audio delay. Let's have a quick look at the original Sound Companion app. So right here, you can see confirm. First thing, you're going to see the earbuds. You can see the battery percentage of both of the earbuds. In Find Device, you can use this app and actually find the earbuds. In fact, play the sound or even find it by navigation. Very helpful feature if you lose them. Then of course, game mode can be toggled on and off directly from here. Then EQ settings, if you come in here, there are some presets. There are 6 presets you can choose from. And if you come to customize, you can custom set the equalizer as well. Always handy. Then key settings, you can actually set the tap gestures of each of the earbuds, left as well as of the right. Coming back, you can change the name of the earbuds, OTA update if any, reset your headset if you want to. Then if you come back here in Me, you'll see auto pop-up. You can change the language, theme, feedback and about us. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 400 mAh battery, while each earbud houses a 40 mAh battery. Fire-Boltt claims it will last for about 50 hours with the case, but in real world usage, you'll get about 45 hours easily. Of course, you need to make sure that you listen the music at just 50 to 60% volume. In fact, even on a single charge, these earbuds would last me for about 6 to 7 hours, which I think is very impressive. Plus, it also supports fast charging. 10 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours of music playback. I mean, it gets really good when it comes to the battery. Alright, final thoughts. Now, for $999, you can't really complain. But still, if I had to nitpick, I wish it had dual device connectivity support and Google Fast Pairing. But what it gets right is that hook design, impressive audio, low latency gaming mode and ANC for phone calls, which is so much fun if you use earbuds for phone calls. The FirePods Aero Glides are already on sale, available in 3 colors. There's blue, there's white and there's black. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy 1, 2 or 3, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.